I'm trying to ask 100 people who they think will win the FIFA World Cup 2026. Step 1, I have to approach people. Step 2, I have to hope they are into football. And I have to get all 100 predictions before the first World Cup match tonight. This might actually be really hard. To collect these predictions, I'm headed to different locations across my city, starting with a street market. This will be interesting because my country is not in the World Cup, meaning most of the people I speak to will be neutrals, unless they are a Messi or a Ronaldo fan. Excuse me? Are you into football by any chance?
No, my brother.
Excuse me? Are you into football by any chance?
What do you think?
I think you are.
Yeah.
So, who do you think will win the World Cup?
I think Spain has a good chance.
Spain. And you're wearing a Spain jersey.
Yeah.
That guy was comically tall, by the way. Like, I'm 5'11". That guy he was tall. Like this, I kept approaching as many people as I could. Is any of you into football by any chance? You are? Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Portugal.
Portugal? Yeah. Let's go. But not all responses were positive. Hi, is any of you into football by any chance?
We are, but what is it like?
Okay, I'm asking 100 football fans their predictions for the World Cup for a video. Will you be down?
We don't actually have the time.
Okay, no issues. Thank you. Don't have the time for a prediction? And yes, I even look for people at a nearby Taco Bell. Excuse me. Hi, I have a weird question. Sorry to disturb. Is any of you into football by any chance? No? Thank you so much. How on earth am I going to find 100 people for this? Although it is hot, so not a lot of people are outdoors. I do have a good success rate though, by the way. Like, the number of people I've approached, most of them have turned out to be football fans. 3 of them. I should change the location. Before changing the location, I headed to my own college to find some people. And lo and behold, I did. You guys are into football, right?
Yes, sir.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Spain. Same. Spain. Brazil.
France.
Bro said Brazil. Bro, wait, I know you. You're into football, right?
Yeah.
Who do you think is winning the World Cup?
I think Portugal.
Portugal.
Yeah.
And then I headed to an iconic landmark. For the next bit, I'm at an iconic landmark in my city. This place is called Connaught Place. Excuse me, is any of you guys into football by any chance? Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I guess Argentina or France, maybe.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Portugal or France.
What a success rate I'm having, by the way. I'm on a generational run. Everyone I'm approaching is a football fan. The problem is I'm not approaching enough people. Hi, excuse me. Is any of you into football by any chance?
Yeah.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I hope it's Portugal.
But again, not everyone was interested. So straight up said no. Excuse me? Come on! Why is it so difficult? Excuse me? Is any of you a football fan by any chance? You are? Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Huh? Who will win?
Yeah.
Spain.
Spain?
I'm a big fan of Pedri.
You're a big fan of Pedri?
Yes.
Are you a Barcelona fan as well?
No, I'm a Real Madrid fan.
You're a Real Madrid fan and you're a fan of Pedri? Yes. Hi, excuse me. Is any of you into football by any chance? No? No issues. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Is any of you a football fan by any chance? You are?
Somewhat, yes.
Who do you think is gonna win the World Cup?
I think France.
Surely the Nike store will have someone. Excuse me. Are you a football fan by any chance? No. Not really? Okay. No football fan at the Nike store is crazy. The embassy of Spain is nearby. I can ask a couple of people there. I know some people there. Wait, I know that guy. He's into football. Yo, what's up? You're a football fan, right?
And I'm in front of the embassy of Spain. What do
Fair
you
enough.
think?
Fair enough. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I love Messi, but I think Spain is going to win it. Viva España!
Right, I've been invited to a Premier League shoot right about now. So I'm gonna leave this place and head there. As I head to the next location, here's all the countries people have predicted so far.
Right, the shoot's going on for Premier League India's Instagram page. After it's done, I'm gonna ask everyone.
I think Argentina will win the World Cup for sure. They're going to defend the title yet again.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Obviously, Germany.
Germany! You're the first person to have said that. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I think it's going to be Spain this time.
Spain?
Oh, England, yeah. It's coming home. Final.
It's coming home.
Absolutely, yeah. As a Chelsea fan, I know and I love Thomas Tuchel, and I know what kind of a project he does. And when he's managing England, it's coming home.
Who do you think will win the World Cup? Portugal. Hi, who do you think will win the World Cup?
England.
England?
Yeah.
Okay.
Reece James will score the decisive free kick in the final and will win the World Cup for England and will be knighted. Sir Reece James.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Spain.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Spain.
And who do you think will win the World Cup?
I guess it's either between Spain or France.
Next up, I headed to a football turf. With 100 predictions seeming an impossible target, I had to find actual footballers now. Speaking of the leaderboard, Spain has a huge lead now. Also, hello England, hello Germany.
Surely I'm gonna find people here. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I think Germany will win the World Cup.
Germany? Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I think Spain will win the World Cup.
Spain?
I think so it will be Portugal. They have a great midfield right now. So yeah.
And because you're a Ronaldo fan?
Yeah. That's right.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I think Argentina will defend.
You're a Messi fan?
Of course. I can see the Portugal jersey right there.
Sir, it would be, I guess, Portugal because it has a good midfield.
He called me sir. I feel honored.
So according to me, Spain will win the World Cup.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
So according to me, Portugal will win the World Cup.
A lot of people have said Spain, Argentina and Portugal. I know Argentina and Portugal is all Messi and Ronaldo bias, but Spain, a lot of people have said Spain. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I guess Portugal.
Portugal?
Yeah.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Who do I think will win the World Cup? I think Portugal will win the World Cup.
I guess Portugal.
Portugal? Brazil.
France.
France?
100%, yeah.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Portugal.
Argentina because of Messi.
Argentina. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Argentina. It's Argentina.
Messi fan?
Yeah. Messi fan, Argentina.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Portugal.
Ronaldo fan?
Kinda. France for sure.
Portugal. Argentina win World Cup.
Argentina will win it for the second time.
I think Portugal will win the World Cup.
Portugal.
Brazil. Argentina.
Brazil.
Portugal.
After asking everyone at the turf, the leaderboard seems different. Before heading to the next location, I also asked people in my apartments for their predictions.
My prediction for 2026 World Cup is that Brazil will definitely reach the finals and they will surely win the World Cup.
My prediction for 2026 World Cup is Argentina. And I believe that Portugal is a team that comes for corporate networking event with a mandatory dress code. And Argentina play for life and death. Vamos! Argentina will win.
What?
Argentina because Messi is my favorite, but I think France and Spain can also take it.
Argentina.
Argentina will win.
Argentina.
And then I headed to the next location. This place is called Cyber Hub.
Those guys are talking about football. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I think France.
France. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Virat
Portugal, by Portugal.
Portugal?
CR7 fan.
Excuse me. Is any of you into football by any chance?
We play football.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
France.
France. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I'm a hardcore Argentina fan, but I think Spain. And I think the final is going to be Spain versus France.
Oh, interesting call. Excuse me. Are you into football by any chance? Any of you? Not at all? Are you into football by any chance? No? Excuse me. Excuse me. Is any of you into football by any chance? No? Okay, no issues. There's a Nike store here. I can check for football fans inside the Nike store. Are you into football by any chance?
Yeah.
You are? Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I think Portugal.
Portugal. Name any 5 Portuguese players. Thank you so much.
I think Brazil.
Brazil.
Yeah.
Right, on to judging people now. It's worked so far, to be fair. It's working. It's working.
You know how racism was born? Exactly like this.
Hi, you're a football fan?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Who do you think is winning the World Cup?
I think the 2026 World Cup winners will be France.
France?
Yes.
Good call. Does any of you follow football by any chance? No? Is any of you into football by any chance? No?
Portugal friend.
Kind of. Who do you think will win?
From my base, maybe Brazil.
Brazil?
So we found out how many people?
5 people.
And we traveled for how long?
All day.
Yeah, fucking waste of time. I'm saying play the same thing 20 times, man. You count 100 people, 5 to 20. Let's go.
Is any of you into football by any chance? No? Yeah, they're not. He is? Can I get you for 1 second? We found a football fan who rejected us. Hi, excuse me. Okay.
After that humiliation ritual, I headed to the final location, a World Cup fan park. This is where I could expect lots of fans.
Wait, I've met those 2 people. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Well, I'm rooting for Portugal, because I'm a CR7 fan myself. So this is his last World Cup probably.
And what about you?
Same as usual, I support Portugal and I'm rooting for it.
Hi, who do you think will win the World Cup?
I think that Ronaldo will win the World Cup.
Finally?
Yes.
Let's go. I agree with you. Hi, excuse me. Can we get your predictions for the FIFA World Cup this year? If you don't mind, for a video.
Oh no, man. Yeah, he watches football. I mean, I'm literally wearing a United jersey.
Who do you think will win the World Cup?
For me, it's Argentina, I think.
Argentina. No bias or?
Yeah, bias. I am biased.
They're foot darts. Look at that dartboard. $17. Hi, who do you think will win the World Cup?
Portugal.
Portugal?
Ronaldo.
Let's go. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
I think Brazil is strong contender in this year.
Brazil. Finally. Brazil. How are people saying Brazil? Brazil is not winning the World Cup, dog. Hi, can we get your predictions for the World Cup? Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Argentina.
Argentina? And who do you think will win? Portugal. Argentina and Portugal. I think I've solved world peace. Hi, can we get your predictions for the World Cup? My prediction? Yeah. Hi, are you here for the screening? Can I ask you for a World Cup prediction? Okay. Are you? You're a very big fan of football. Okay, no issues. I'm not able to finish it off, dog. I don't think there are enough people here for me to complete the whole thing, and the ones who are here, a lot of them have refused to be a part of it.
So I think Brazil will win. Neymar is my favorite player and he's back in the game. So for 2026, Brazil for the win.
Hi, I'm from Colombia. Colombiana forever.
So who do you think is going to win the World Cup?
Argentina, of course.
I think either France or Portugal will win.
I think Mexico.
Mexico will win the World Cup? Okay. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
Portugal, man. There's no other chance that anyone else is going to win this World Cup.
I agree.
Not me though.
It's his last World Cup, man. If he doesn't win this time, fuck the world, man. I would kiss this guy if he doesn't win.
Okay.
Would you, man?
I'll bet on this now. I'll bet on this. Come on.
Mexico, as you said.
Mexico. Interesting. Who do you think will win the World Cup?
France or England?
France or England? And who do you think will win the World Cup?
Of course, bro. Portugal. No doubt about it.
Let's go. It's raining, it's pouring, I have to go inside. Also, the whole thing has started, I think. I hear Die Die from Shakira.
Yup, the opening match of the World Cup had started. All day I asked 123 people for their predictions and ended up with 82. Here's the final leaderboard with Portugal ending up with clear favourites and a few surprise entries as well. Also, that's me on the big screen. Hi!